in the age of Pinterest and DIY, we are going to try our hand at making some handmade Christmas decor.
Ooh.
And they really did us dirty because Jessica's on our production team and she's like the most crafty, amazing person I know. And
Yes,
she
she
made that.
is.
So it's not going to look as good as Jessica's,
wow.
but we're going to try. So
how we have
Okay.
to actually out. I'm already fell.
oh yeah.
Yeah, so
Okay,
she's
let me
already
finish
dropping.
these.
So basically we just have to decorate this stuff. all
Okay,
right?
so you gotta decorate that. So I'm gonna try to put some stuff on the inside, and because I play
Cute.
basketball.
If you wanna try,
Oh,
cute.
yes,
Here
I'm
is-
sorry.
All right, hang
I'm
on.
sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna try to decorate. Oh,
And
it
you know
is-
what?
You
As
know, people
cool-
try to tell us what to do, and we are really bad at following instructions.
Yeah,
Karen told me that this was going to dry really fast,
It is dry
and she
really
was right.
got you. You know what? It's
It is dry really fast.
Sorry, it is so cold. Can I just touch the glue gun and just warm my hands up right
I
now?
don't know if that's a good idea.
It's cold out
we use
here.
this glue too?
All
It
It is
sounds
cold.
about as smart as like the kid who licks the frozen ice pole.
But what a great idea to do
All right.
this
Yeah,
at
so-
the house, you know, with family and friends.
So you get a chance
it
to
like
do
a-
some
look
pretty
at how
cool
beautiful
stuff,
is that
and then
one.
we don't have any lights to put. So I'm just gonna be very Quincy-ish. I'm just gonna
Can I
throw
have-
things
oh,
in
can I
there
have glue?
because
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
DIY. This is how I do my stuff. Ooh,
Okay.
bing, bing, pang. I don't follow any of the rules.
I can see that, Quincy. You're not following the rules.
You know what?
have
Clearly,
to.
y'all are
But yeah,
following the rules.
Quincy's
This thing
terrible at
gets
following rules.
Hold up. So, do y'all remember, like in a grade school, right?
Uh-huh.
Doing projects.
Yes.
Yes. That was my favorite part, actually.
Okay. So
was it?
Yeah.
I
but
don't remember doing any projects. Y'all have used so much
Quincy.
glue. Can I at least touch the glue gun?
I think I did all of my projects and all of Jessica's projects.
All of Jessica.
Oh,
So you trained
now
Jessica.
we are revealing secrets
You
from the
trained Jessica
childhood.
to be
I-
this good?
So Jessica and I looked so much alike that I think I actually took her math SOL.
So that means you guys take advantage.
Oh,
Sorry,
nice.
Mom.
She said, "Sorry, Mom." Oh,
Okay.
you know what? It's cool. You got
Quincy,
these little reindeer.
go for
Yes.
it.
I mean, I
Okay.
took my own too.
You know, first of all, let me explain
Oh my
something.
God, these
this
dry
is a
so
glue
fast.
gun.
Oh, my nails. No.
It's a glue gun. Like you never hold a gun directly to it. You hand it to them like
Well,
this. They have no skills at all.
Oh.
All right, so I'm going to
Stop being a hater,
No,
Quincy.
it is already dry.
No. I'm about to do something so cool
We have more
that
glue
only
here.
one person can do it.
Well, I have glued myself
Yes,
to,
I have glue on my
to my
nose.
to my craft.
Okay, so this is what happens when you want to do stuff outside of the studio
Yes.
in the cold.
Reality is very cool.
Yes.
So
Now
the
see,
glue gets-
now see, theirs don't look like this. This
Oh,
is very
no, it's
simple.
not working.
This is the type of stuff that can sell in a thrift store. Okay, nothing in a real store.
I don't know
But-
what kind of thrift stores Quincy be shopping at, but I would not purchase that.
Yeah, well, you don't have
I
to
need
purchase
some little
it.
trees, some little.
Some little trees. Well, that's
little
exactly
trees,
what
some
what
decoration,
they are. It's the little trees. So, well,
oh.
you know, and
Man down.
the Christmas of hatricity. You know what? That's what makes these segments so cool because things drop and they go and the little
you don't know
decorations
what's
go.
going
everywhere.
on.
Oh, look! I don't care what they are trying to do.
I've got jingle
This
bells
right here,
flying everywhere.
This is beautiful.
You know
all right?
what?
It is beautiful.
You know what?
Yes. Yeah, there you go. Just throw
No,
some cool
girl.
stuff in there. Beautiful. Now, what we don't have is lights. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this right here. Now,
We're still trying these.
do you know what? Do you ladies
Just
do?
take your time.
I'm
Be
sorry.
patient.
Yeah, you know,
We are in the holiday season.
that's why we.
I mean, I'm glad you're patient,
Yeah.
but
Yeah, hold
I
on. Is this a mistletoe?
It is.
don't you dare hold it up above me.
I'm just asking if it's a mistletoe. Okay, let me toss that up in there.
I think it's holly.
It's holly. Got you. I don't even know what
Oh,
that is.
holly. The
All right.
holly.
So
Is there
if
a
we
song?
can, like, I don't know how much time we've got left, but if
How
we can
cute.
do a little.
That's a good idea, Patricia.
Hold up. What
Yes.
ideas are y'all doing?
Look, I'm just
Hold-
trying to.
Yeah.
to
Well,
make it pretty.
you know what? Christmas. Everybody
Can I have
has
some
their
red
own.
ones?
Everybody has their own
Cute.
idea for Christmas, and clearly we have all different ideas for decorating.
Give me some red ones,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. Please, yes. Here, have
Thank
this.
you. Thank
Yeah.
Have this.
Well, I'm
I'm
trying to do.
I'm
look.
looking at all of our little masterpieces, and this is Exhibit A as to why we
You
host
know
a
what?
television
Okay.
show and we are not DIY.
At least
You know what?
how
This is
much
what
is the
somebody
time we have?
hasn't
5
done.
minutes. I come up with this decoration.
Yes. Okay. So Patricia is the one who double excelled at everything.
I told you I was good in process
Yes.
in the school.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I'm
Well,
trying to.
all right. Well, then you were pretty cool. All right. Well, you know what?
And I still have time for one more.
Yeah. Well, I'm ready to go.
You guys, we have
did a
already
good
talked
job.
about so much during this fun Christmas episode, but you know, we still have more to go. We have
Yes.
some festive music coming up. That's after the break.
That's right after
Stay
the break.
right there. Don't go anywhere.
Ah.
Ding, ding.